How to connect Salesforce Org to VS Code. Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM platform for managing sales, marketing, service, and business processes. Here's a quick and updated guide on how to connect your Salesforce Org to VS Code. Firstly, install VS Code from this link. Install Salesforce CLI from that link. Open VS Code and go to Extensions or tab Ctrl+Shift+X, then search and install Salesforce Extension Pack. Create or open your Salesforce project. Then open the terminal in VS Code. Run sfdx auth web login in the terminal. A browser window opens. Log into your Salesforce Org. Then run sfdx force org list to verify the connection. Now you can retrieve, deploy, or push metadata. Use VS Code to edit Apex, Lightning, or other Salesforce metadata. Thank you so much for watching.